Hello everyone. For those of you who are still holding on in front of the charts, your mindset shaking but still thinking, maybe this time is different, if you watch this video until the end, you'll clearly understand when the most comfortable trading window in February actually is. Today, we're going to break down XRP's movement during the fourth week of February, from the 19th to the 25th, in deep detail, based on Vedic astrology. Before we begin, there's one thing I want to clarify. Many of you ask why the weekly divisions I use are different from standard calendar weeks. That's because in Vedic astrology, what matters is not clean calendar lines, but the moon's movement, planetary angles, and moments when energy shifts. The market doesn't move because it's Monday or Friday. It moves when energy changes. That's why these weekly divisions align more closely with real market behavior than calendar weeks. Now let's get into the analysis. The key takeaway for the fourth week of February is this: the chaos of week 3 ends, and direction begins to solidify. In simple terms, this is where the market starts lying to you less. From a Vedic astrology perspective, Saturn works to stabilize and fix direction. Mars is no longer explosive like in week 3, but instead provides persistence, pushing the chosen direction forward. Mercury's disruptive influence weakens, which means fake breakouts and traps decrease noticeably. So let me be very clear, the overall directional bias for week 4 is bullish. However, that doesn't mean it's comfortable from the very start. First, February 19th. This day still carries remnants of week 3's volatility. Sudden spikes up or down are entirely possible, and early session movements in particular are unreliable. If you chase price here, you'll likely end up asking yourself, why do I always buy the top and sell the bottom? This is a day for patience, or at most, very short-term trades. The real turning point is February 20th. This is when the market begins to send its first, "you can trust this direction," signal. On the 4-hour chart, direction becomes clearer, and entries on pullbacks become both structurally and psychologically easier. From here on, the market stops deliberately confusing traders. February 21st and 22nd are the most stable days of the entire week. Trend reliability is high, and you don't need to stare at the chart all day after entering a position. For long positions, buying pullbacks works well. For shorts, there's no need to be aggressive. These are the days when the market rewards those who stayed patient. As we move into the 23rd and 24th, the tone changes slightly. The trend continues, but momentum slows and fatigue sets in. At this point, managing existing positions becomes more important than opening new ones. On the 2-hour chart, if price struggles to make new highs or lows, that's an early signal the trend is approaching its end. This is where greed often turns profits back into losses. Then comes February 25th. This is essentially a preparation and cleanup phase before week 5. The broader direction is unlikely to flip in a single day, but volatility contracts and profit-taking pressure increases. This is not a day for aggressive new entries. It's a day to say, "I've earned enough, let's protect it." To summarize, week 4 starts cautiously, the middle rewards trend following, and the end is about protection and exit management. If you survived week 3 well, week 4 is the most proper trading week of February, a chance to recover your account or lock in solid profits. One important reminder before we finish. This analysis is a market flow interpretation based on Vedic astrology, not a prediction that guarantees profits. All trading decisions and responsibility remain with you. Especially toward the end of week 4, greed can quickly turn into losses, so strict risk management and stop-loss discipline are essential. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll cover week 5 of February and how to plan final exits for the month. In the end, the traders who survive are the ones who endure. Let's protect our accounts this month. Thank you for watching.